Rocket Lab, a space launch company that started by putting small satellites into orbit and is now fighting for relevance in the trillion-dollar space economy. But Rocket Lab's stock, RKLB, hasn't been smooth. It's been a wild ride of rallies, resets, and strategic pivots. So in 2025, the big question is Rocket Lab still a growth story or a risky aerospace name struggling to find its future? Let's break it down. Rocket Lab's origins. Rocket Lab was founded in 2006 with one bold mission: make space accessible for small satellites. Its Electron rocket became the go-to launcher for small payloads, cheaper, quicker, and more flexible than traditional launch systems. This made Rocket Lab a launch choice for CubeSats and nanosat constellations, a trusted partner for universities, startups, and defense. A rare commercial launcher outside SpaceX, but early success didn't guarantee lasting dominance. Why investors loved Rocket Lab? Investors saw Rocket Lab as a real space play. Growing small satellite market, defense and government contracts, repeat customers, proprietary launch tech, space as infrastructure. Back in 2021, RKLB stock rode the space stock boom, but momentum slowed as realities set in. Real space hardware is expensive, margins are thin, and competition is fierce. Still, Rocket Lab's story kept investors interested. The big pivots. Rocket Lab hasn't stayed static. As the space industry evolves, Rocket Lab has pivoted into reusable rocket technology, trying to lower launch costs, satellite manufacturing, building spacecraft, not just launching them on Photon spacecraft platform, a standardized satellite bus company, space systems, and defense, government business with long contracts. This diversification is crucial because launch revenue alone isn't enough to sustain rapid growth. Now Rocket Lab is trying to be a full space company, not just a small launcher. Real risks for Rocket Lab. But space is hard, and investors need to understand the risks. Capital intensity. Rockets and space hardware cost billions. Competition. SpaceX, ULA, Aerospace, Blue Origin, launch cadence, uncertainty, delays and weather shutdowns, profitability pressure, launch revenue still modest, stock volatility. RKLB is a thinly traded, sentiment-driven play. Any one of these problems can send the stock tumbling, and they often happen without warning. This isn't a stable dividend machine, it's a venture capital-like public stock. The future, real growth or space hype. So what's the long-term narrative for Rocket Lab? If you believe small satellites keep growing, governments keep spending on space systems, reusable rockets finally cut costs, Photon and spacecraft services scale, deep space missions gain traction, then Rocket Lab can transform from a small launcher into a full space ecosystem company. But if competition crushes pricing, launch demand stalls, costs outpace revenue, reusability never materializes, then Rocket Lab's potential could remain stuck on paper. Right now, Rocket Lab is one of the most binary aerospace stocks on the market. High risk, high potential, and deeply tied to execution. So what do you think? Is Rocket Lab a future space infrastructure leader or a risky orbit gamble? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the companies shaping our financial future.